44 Czech facts you'll quote later. Ready? 44 fast facts about the Czech Republic. Let's count up. Fact number 1. In 2016, it ranked 6th safest on Earth. Fact number 2. Czech is famously hard. Formal and informal forms. Fact number 3. Puppetry is huge. Prague's museum is world-leading. Fact number 4. Renowned for mouth-blown art glass and crystal. Fact number 5. The Czech people have the highest beer consumption per capita in the world. Its first known brewery existed in 9993. Pilsners were originated here, as did the first ever blonde Pilsners. There are several beer festivals hosted annually. Fact number 6. Holocaust decimated Bohemian and Moravian Jewry. Fact number 7. One of the least religious populations globally. Fact number 8. Autumn mushroom hunting is a national passion. Fact number 9. A paradise of parks, forests, rivers, and mountains. Fact number 10. 12 UNESCO sites anchor major tourism. Fact number 11. Prague Castle is Europe's largest. Charles Bridge thrives. Fact number 12. Over 2,000 castles crown jewels at St. Vitus. Fact number 13. Old Town Square hosts the astronomical clock. Fact number 14. Spa towns promise classic European relaxation. Fact number 15. Aqua Palace Praha is Central Europe's biggest water park. Fact number 16. Mendel, Mucha, Kafka, Navratilova, and Lendl, Czech icons. Fact number 17. Inventions include sugar cubes and soft contacts. Fact number 18. First plastic surgery clinic opened in 1927. Fact number 19. Tourism significantly boosts the economy. Fact number 20. Advanced, stable, low unemployment, high-income nation. Fact number 21. Vepřok knedlo zelo, pork, dumplings, cabbage classic. Fact number 22. Koprava and goulash keep beef beloved. Fact number 23. Roast duck with red cabbage, carpet Christmas. Fact number 24. Beer and local wines pair meals. Fact number 25. Roots in the Duchy of Bohemia. Fact number 26. Joined the Holy Roman Empire, 1004. Fact number 27. Bohemian Golden Age in the 13th, 14th centuries. Fact number 28. Integrated into the Habsburg monarchy, 1526. Fact number 29. 30 Years' War reshaped faith and rule. Fact number 30. Became part of the Austrian Empire, 1806. Fact number 31. Czechoslovakia formed in 1918. Language revived. Fact number 32. Nazi occupation. Liberation in 1945. Expulsions followed. Fact number 33. By 1946, the country had become communist under Soviet influence. Fact number 34. Velvet Revolution. Peaceful split in 1993. Fact number 35. The garnet trade is everywhere due to nearby garnet mines. Garnet jewelry can be purchased in the city markets. Fact number 36. The Czech Republic has the most hospital beds per capita of any country in the EU. Unfortunately, they probably need them, because they also have the highest EU death rate from cancer. Fact number 37. 2020 fixed internet about 74.8 Mbps, 46 airports. Fact number 38. Borders opened within Schengen, December 2007. Fact number 39. Prague's Dancing House honors Astaire and Rogers. Fact number 40. Old Jewish Cemetery commemorates Holocaust victims. Fact number 41. Charles University, 1348, one of the oldest. Fact number 42. Škoda Auto is a European giant. Fact number 43. Český Krumlov is a top UNESCO draw. Fact number 44. Adrspach Teplice rocks wow hikers and climbers.